This is A Robin's Nest by Terry. We're celebrating the last 10 days of the year. Our host is Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle, the Grace DIY. And tonight, I'm taking you on a walking tour of Casey, Illinois.
Okay, let's check out my neighbor's display and everything they've got going on here. They've got a couple of blow molds. I'm going to kind of make a pass around here. He's got Santa and Rudolph up there. As long as I don't trip over any cords, we're good. It's kind of hard to see with the lights being so bright. I think that was one of his Halloween mannequins that he dressed as Elf. Oh, the Sesame Street characters. There's Oscar. I haven't seen these guys in a long time, so I forgot their names. Oh, and a big, big bird. Man, I guess our theme kind of matches. Maybe he needs my Charlie Brown set. Huh. Very cute. There's a manger scene. And the carolers. Oh, look at the penguins with that igloo as a doghouse. That's adorable. And there's a kid's playhouse that they lighted up. And there's Frosty. And carolers. Oh, here's a little toy shop. And he's got his Snoopy. All right, so that's the back part of the yard. Let me go out front here without tripping. Oh, we didn't see the 3 reindeer that was sitting in front of the Sesame Street characters. And then part of his tree. Oh, we even got Minnie and Mickey Mouse out here. And Santa and baby Jesus and a couple of polar bears. And that's their display. All right, bye everyone.